In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11. If you're using a desktop and not a laptop, first check if your motherboard supports Wi-Fi. If it doesn't, a Wi-Fi dongle can save your day. If the issue still persists, I'll show you 5 easy solutions you can try. Solution number 1. Check your device manager. In the search bar, type device manager and open it. Go to network adapters and expand it and find the adapter's name. It should show something like wireless or network adapter. If you don't see it, it might be disconnected or hidden. Check your port and reconnect your Wi-Fi adapter or dongle. If it's hidden, go to view, then show hidden devices. Once you see it, right-click it and select enable device. You can also update it by right-clicking again and choosing Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers if you don't have the latest one downloaded. Next solution is adjusting the power settings. Open the device manager again, right-click your network adapter and choose Properties. Now go to the Power Management tab and make sure the option Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power is unchecked. Restart your computer and see if this fixes the issue. The third solution is checking the network services. On your keyboard, hold down the Windows and R button to open Run. You can also right-click the Windows Start button and select Run. In Run, type services.msc and click OK. Now find the WLAN autoconfig, right-click it and then select Properties. Set the startup time to automatic, click stop, then start, then apply and OK. Do the same for network connections and network list services as I will do now and see if this fixes the problem. Solution number 4 is resetting the network. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then go to Advanced Network Settings, scroll down and click on Network Reset, then select Reset Now and restart your computer. Once your computer has restarted, open the control panel and set the view to category. Click on Network and Internet, then Internet Options. Under the Advanced tab, click Restore Advanced Settings, then click Apply and OK. See if this fixes the issue. Solution number 5 is adjusting the system configuration. Open Run again and type in msconfig, then press Enter. In the General tab, make sure Normal Startup is selected. Go to the Services tab and click on Disable All. Then click on Enable All. Click Apply, then OK and restart your computer. And that's it. If none of these solutions worked, please drop a comment down below and I will try to help you there. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.